MySQL, to fetch the data only we'll use this. As it is not going to, otherwise right click on the SRC customer table. Right click on the SRC customer table. As you can see down, can you see the description of the table? No. Don't need to click anything. Just click outside.
Okay.
Outside you click in the open space. Can you see the description of the table down? Left side down, can you see?
Distribution of the table.
Not, can you
You,
description.
descriptions. Yeah. Like columns, cust ID, and the data type. You want to see
Yeah,
that?
yeah. There, what it is given as a custody.
Cust ID is decimal 10.0 PK primary key.
Yeah, that means the primary key is defined in my database level.
Mm-hmm.
That primary key
Okay.
has come to my ODI as well. Go to your ODI studio.
SRC customer. Okay. ODI Studio. SRC customer.
The primary key is there already.
This is
Expand
this is
expand SLC customer.
okay. This is
Primary
the
key is there.
prime.
This is the one what you
Yeah.
see, the primary key. The primary key is based on which column? Go to the attribute.
So the constant primary I am able to see, but where is the associated column?
Yeah, that's what I am asking, to go with the attributes.
Okay.
No, not there. Can you see the description? We are seeing it under the description. Can you see the attributes?
Yeah. Okay. Custody.
Right.
Yeah. Understood.
Now I want to create a foreign key reference. I want to create. Right click on the constraint.
Okay. Right click on the constant.
New reference. And we need to select, this is the type is a user reference. That means it is not at my DB level, as in the ODI user creating this reference.
Okay.
And down, can you see the table? Yeah, down,
Yeah.
table.
Yeah. Here.
Yeah.
Model
That
and
means the
table.
customer table to city table. I have a reference. I want to create a reference between my customer table to city table.
Mm-hmm.
Select it. Now go to the attributes. Now we need to
And
tell the reference column names. I need to tell.
And then one more question, Prem. When I'm creating this as a reference from the ODI perspective, so this reference needs to be primary key to the SRC city, right?
Yes,
Is this mandatory? So
yes.
if I see the SRCT,
That we are going to define in an attribute. Go to the attributes.
okay,
Now foreign key table. That means in my SRC customer table, I'm going to identify what column. Click on the plus symbol.
okay,
Which column you want to use it in my SRC city table, the foreign key column, SRC customer table, the foreign key column. Click on the address
hmm
is there, no? It identified address. Address is not correct. Click on the drop down. Can you tell which column can be used?
okay. It is
Foreign key column.
the
Foreign key column.
okay. Okay, 1 second. City ID, custody. Yeah, we have to use city ID.
Yes, correct. It has to be mapped to the primary key of my city table.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Click on the
The
click on this
reference. Yeah, sorry. You want me to click on?
primary key table city. It is showing. No, it is not to be city. No, city ID.
Correct. Mm, attribute. Okay. So now actually, Prem, one little. So let me understand. So we are adding the reference key from the, assume that from the source table. So I'm adding the reference key. While adding the reference key, I'm just ensuring that that particular target table is having the primary
Not
key.
target, not target. Is only the source only we are checking it. The reference as between the customer table and city table, we have a reference is there or not. We are verifying it.
Okay, okay. So we are just ensuring that that particular in the source itself, we are just checking the other reference table is having the particular primary key or not, so that I can use that as a reference key here. Correct?
Yes, correct.
This is a possibility, right? Only when it is having the primary key, I can make that table primary key as a foreign key here.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Now go to the control tab.
Control tab.
Under attributes, you can see the control. Now, by the default, already the flow and static check is done.
Okay.
Now, click on down.
Okay.
Can you see the down? Can you click on the check button? Yes. Save the model.
Before. Okay.
How many error records are there?
Number of rows in the table, number of rows checked, number of correct references, number of reference with error one.
That means one record is having an error.
Yeah. Okay.
Because how this error is possible? Because in my database level, the reference is not defined. Generally, if the reference is defined at the DB level itself, this may not have the possibility of the error. But wantedly, as the reference is not defined at the DB level, this type of error records are possible.
Oh, understood. Number of reference with I can say number of that is okay. It is telling reference with errors. So yeah, from this we can understand, right?
Yeah, one record is having an error.
Okay.
But for example, now right click on your SRC customer and view data. In the model, right click on your SRC customer, view data, and see the city ID column. Check the city ID column. You need to
No, it is
you
that
need to you need to use the scroll bar down, the right
scroll
corner,
down.
right corner, right corner. Yeah.
Okay, okay. City ID.
Out of this, for example, you go with the SRC city table. Right click on SRC city table,
Okay.
view data. SRC city also
SRC
view data,
SRC city table view data.
view data. For example, the city ID values are there from 10 to, go with the last, 10
into
to
500.
74, 107, 500. For example, these are the numbers which you have for the city ID.
Okay.
Now go to the SRC customer. Already the
Uh,
tab is open. Already the tab is open. Now can you see the number of the city ID values?
yeah.
208, for example, can you see one record with the name as a 208? Whether the 208 record is there in the SRC city? It is a sorting order only. The city ID is sorting only as well.
No, it is not there. Wait, wait,
That
wait.
means that
I need to check here. No, do not it not there.
because the number, no, the number sorting order, not the character sorting order, number sorting order. After 107, if it is there, it should be there after 107.
No.
That means that is an error record.
Okay.
Because the city ID, now in the SRC customer, we have some record which is having the city ID as a 208. But as a city ID, we don't have the record at all with the city name as a 208. This record is an error
Mm-hmm.
record or not? This customer record is error or not? Because as we have
Yeah,
a
yeah.
wrong entry in the city ID.
Yeah, yeah. They supposed to enter it. They missed it.
Yeah. That means the data may not be available in the SRC city table, or the 208 itself may be the wrong number.
Yeah. So either it should be inserted or even it should be removed from source itself. Correct?
Yeah, that means the number 208 has to be corrected to the 107 or 500.
Correct.
In the
Correct.
in the
I,
in the SRC customer table, the 208 has to be corrected to the 107 or 500, or whatever may be the number, or 20.
Either it needs to be corrected or it should be removed.
In,
Yes, that is
not,
the.
not removed. Insert the record into the SRC city table also. They need to insert the record which is having for the city ID 208. It should have the details.
Uh-huh. Okay, after inserting the record of 208 and 208, so in this case, Prem, I'm just trying to understand. So as 208 is not present in the reference table, so that is the error it popped up. The case is either it is an invalid record from the source, or let them make a valid by.
Don't. Yeah, yeah. The source,
Mm,
a source, not in the ETL perspective. I think this is the
mm,
one application we have a problem.
mm.
That may be the source or it may be the target is a different scenario. But that is a
Okay.
particular application database. We have a problem. As a
Uh-huh.
city, the 208 record is not available at all.
Mm,
That means they need to populate the record into this city table. They need to
mm,
insert
mm,
the
mm,
new record into this city table. Or
mm.
it may be the typo error, the city value, it should not be the 208, it should be the 20.
Okay.
Or it should
Okay.
be something else.
Okay.
Then what we
Got
need
it.
to do? We need to ask this MySQL people and we need to tell you have a problem with this record like this. You check it and fix that one.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Now, if I want to check this error, now right click on
Mm.
your SRC custom. Now, because the less number of records, manually we have seen and we are able to conclude the 208 is an error record.
Yeah. Yeah.
But when you had a volume is huge, we cannot do with the visible eye, we cannot check it out the error. No. Then
Yeah.
right click on your SRC customer, go with the control, center will have it. Control, check. Go with the check. What it is telling?
The data check cannot be performed. A CKM is not selected on the model.
That means
Okay.
the CKM we imported, but we not use the CKM in the model. Click on OK.
Oh,
Double
okay.
click on the
Nice.
model. Double click on the model. Model.
One second. Oh, yeah, yeah. This one, no? No, it's 1 second.
Model name. MySQL
Yeah,
underscore
yeah.
art. Yeah. Double click. Can you see the control tab?
Control tab, yeah.
The knowledge
Oh,
module is used.
yes.
Now save this
CKM is okay.
SQL because we don't have the MySQL CKM. We don't have it. We are using the generic CKM. I'm using it. Right?
Yeah, this value we need to keep as a default
Default. Yeah,
false.
default. Yeah,
Drop
default.
error, drop
You
check
what is the
table.
purpose? What is the purpose of it? I will tell you. Now
Okay,
you go with the SRC customer. Right click on the SRC customer.
okay.
Now go with the control check. Because it's not allowing, because already we opened. Click on OK. Click on
Okay,
OK.
I'm not.
Yeah,
Okay.
click on OK. Go with the menu file. Go to
Menu
the file
file.
menu. File menu.
Okay.
Close all. Close all. Now right click and check. Check.
You need to save or refresh.
Click OK.
Check.
I will
Cannot.
check it. Double click on the MySQL orders application model.
MySQL
Double click on
orders
the model.
model,
Double
no?
click on the,
Yeah.
yeah, double click. Go to the control tab. Okay. Now click on the reverse engineer again. Reverse, no, top button, yeah. Now close this file. Go to the, yeah, close that one. Now go to the right click on SRC customer. Control check.
Oh, why
Okay.
why it will happen like this, Prem?
Because it's not refreshed. The where we still it's changed. It is not refreshed. That model is having the CKM. I did the refresh again and reverse engineering I did. By that now it is refreshed with that knowledge module
Okay.
is used for the model. Now
Okay.
context should go with the global context or development context. Now go with the OK. Now session is started. How we can able
Need to
to see
click
the execution of my session? Click on OK.
in okay. In
Go to the
operator.
operator you
Okay.
go. All executions you expand. Last one, all executions you expand. That the yellow color meaning is warning. For example, as a yellow color triangle symbol, it is showing it. That is the
Yeah.
meaning. It's a warning. The top level. For example, double click
Okay.
on the top. Scroll down. Session
Number
completed
of
successfully with errors reported in the error tables. That means my
yeah.
session is completed.
Okay.
Now go back to the designer. Right click on the SRC customer. Control errors. Yes. That is at lot 208, 203, I think. Yeah. Now can you see what
Uh,
may which record is error record?
203.
Yeah.
Okay.
The cust
Got it. Cust ID. Cust
no
ID from the source. Yeah, this is
20
the one which we
the
do not
custody.
have
Yeah.
at the target.
No,
Okay.
that not that is city ID. You go with the you go. This is the custody is 203. Right click on
Hmm.
the SRC customer. Data view data 203 customer. You see 203 customer. The record is error 203. What is the city ID value we have?
City ID value. I need to move to.
You need to go
I
to the
need.
last scroll bar. You need to go with the last.
Yeah, city ID is 208. Ah, understood. Okay. Got it. Got it. This custom ID is pointing to this city ID. 203. Okay. I
203 is the
understood.
custody and
It's
208
pointing to
is the
208.
city ID. Now
Yeah.
go with the SRC, the error also SRC customer, the one, the tab before the error, yeah, the error record. Yeah. Now Here also, if you go scroll down, you can adjust this. Go up. Can you see these details? This is the foreign key. This is the one. You need to scroll left, I think. I'm not able to see the city ID. Yeah. Can you see the city ID now? Center it is there, the city ID. Otherwise, you need to adjust the down one. You can adjust it.
Yeah, city ID.
Yeah. The city
Yes.
ID value is 208 record. We had a problem.
Yeah.
Now I want to define one more condition I want to check. Go to your SRC customer,
Yeah.
right click, go to the SRC customer, MySQL orders application,
Yeah. SRC customer, no? Okay.
go to the constraints, expand it, and go to the constraints, expand it. Now the primary constraint is there. Along with that, now we had a foreign key constraint also.
Okay.
Now I want to create one more condition I want to create. Right click on the constraints, new condition. For example, I want to define some condition, the phone number length, new condition. For example, you go to the data SRC customer. In the data SRC customer, you go.
Data SRC customer. Once again.
No, you have already the tab is open here.
Yeah. Yeah.
There you see the phone number. For example, we have some phone numbers equal to 6 characters.
Mm-hmm.
Some phone numbers we are having equal to 6 characters. If you scroll down, we have
Okay.
some phone numbers which is equal to the 6 characters. And if you have anything problem like this, the 6 characters, I want to have them more than 6 characters. I want to have it a minimum of more than 6 characters. I want to have in the phone number length.
Okay.
But this type of condition is not there. Can you see that like 51, the city ID 51, or you can you see the number?
Yeah.
Those are the error records because they are having only 6 digits only. We are having it.
Yes. Yes.
Those error records I want to identify.
Okay. Okay.
Which is having less than or equal to 6. Those all I want to identify it.
Okay. Okay.
Now go to the condition, new condition which you are defining. Yeah. The name I want to give some name. You can go with a PDF. Go with the next page. Next page. Next page. Yeah. 1 minute. This is the condition name you take it. Go one page up.
Phone number length.
Yeah. You take the name as a phone number length. Yeah. And we need to give the type as a the type you need to give the drop down. The length extra space is there. Remove that extra space. After the phone number length, we have some extra space. No specific. Now go with the type. Only go with the type. There is this the condition is the database condition? No. In the database level, this condition is not available. This is the condition based on the ODI. That's the reason you select the ODI condition.
Okay. Okay.
Now I want to define the expression I want to build. Rather, you type in an expression here with the formulas and functions and all those. Can you see the pencil icon? That is an
Yeah.
editor was going to launch.
Okay.
Now expand the left side SRC customer and double click on your phone. Now on this I want to use a function. What function I want to use? Length function. Length function is the part of my strings. You need to select the SRC customer first. The top you need to select the phone, you select it from first to last. First to last. Yeah. Now go and select the length function. Double click on the length. Now the function is applied.
Yeah.
Now I want to give the greater than symbol.
Greater than
6.
equal to.
Not equal to 6. Greater than 6. Equal to
Not,
also error.
not okay, okay.
Click on apply. Okay. And click on the
Next.
green color tick mark. The validation is there. You can see the validation. The green color tick mark. The query
Valid
is
query.
validated and the validation is done correct. And error message, I want to have the error message. You can copy from the PDF. A phone number should be contain more than 6 characters. That's the message which I want to copy it. Now I want to check for the error records. What I need to do? How many error records are there? I want to check. Count. For counting, what I should do?
One more condition.
For counting the number of error records, what I need to do? How many error records I want to see in this table? Go to the control tab.
Yeah, one second.
Control tab. Where? Under the
Yeah,
definition,
yeah,
the
yeah.
right side.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Where do we need to check? Click on the green color tick mark. Yes. Save the mode. Save that constraint.
Data will be saved before performing the control. Do you want to continue?
How many error records?
Rows 7. Oh,
The,
it started. It started now itself.
the count it's given before also the check. If you click it, it is giving the count. No, we don't know the error records, but it has given you the count.
Count. Oh, okay. Now itself, while designing itself, it is giving. I mean, we
Even
are
the
just
yeah,
configuring the.
yeah, even before also it has given like that. You know, when you define the new reference we created, we are able to
Mhm.
count immediately how many number of error records. No?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's kind of it's a dynamic, right, Prem?
Dynamic
While
while
designing
while
itself,
you
we are coming to
but
know.
yeah,
Yeah.
yes, while yeah, we don't know the number of what error records, but we can able to have the count.
Okay. Count is a okay. Understood. Dynamically populated value. Okay.
Yeah. Now right click on your SRC customer.
Because yeah, I got it. I was under impression that after design, after run, we can able to see it. But here, yeah,
uh,
upfront,
because
yeah,
because as we are doing the static check, because the static check
got.
is selected. For example,
Okay.
you remove the static
Hmm.
check and try to click on the tick mark. Yes, the 7 value you change it. You change the 7 value to the 0. 0.
I'm not able to edit.
Okay, because the static already okay. The static check is the one which we can able to do whenever we require. Select the
Okay.
static also. Select the static
Okay.
also and save it. Okay. Now I want to see what are the error records. Now right click on your SRC customer, control. What I need to do? Can you see the error record? So
Yeah.
seven error records. The phone number length related. Because you close this SRC customer. You close this SRC customer. Now right click again. Right click again SRC customer. Control errors. Yes. Can you see that 7 error records related to the phone number length?
Where,
One which is the previously which we identified related to the reference to the city table, that record is
yeah,
showing it. But can you
yeah.
are able to see the phone number related to the 7 errors we are able to see?
No, no.
If you want to see what I need to do,
Yeah, yeah. To see that, as you said, that check, check control,
yes,
that.
yes, yes. No,
Yeah.
no, no. If you want to see the error records also, not the count, right click on your SRC customer, control,
Control
check.
check. Control check. Yeah.
Now session will be created. Click OK. Now go to the operator, refresh. Now can you see the second execution? Successful.
Here, this one,
Yeah.
no?
That is the one is the previously. Timestamp you
Okay.
see?
Yeah, okay, 835 is the previous, 840 is the latest.
Yes,
Correct?
double click. Yes,
Yeah.
correct. Double click on that. Go down. We can see the success or not.
Session completed successfully with errors reported in error tables.
That is successful, right?
Okay. Yeah, it's
Now,
successful.
now I want
Number
to
of
see the
errors.
now I want to see the error records. Now go back to the
Mm.
designer. Now right click on your SRC customer. Control errors. Can you see now? No.
No.
Because this object definition we opened it previously.
Mm-hmm. You want
Close
me
the
to
definition.
close it?
Yes, close. Now open again. SRC customer right click. Control errors. Yes.
Nice. Um,
Can you see now total 8 records? One is related to the foreign key reference. 7 records are related to my phone number length.
yeah. Oh, nice. Mhm.
Like this, we can able to define my own constraints, which is not available at the DB level, and I can able to check those constraint errors. I can able to check it.
Yeah.
Now, what
Oh,
the check we have done is the static check. As of now, we not done the flow check. This is the check. What we have done is the static check on demand, the not at the loading time. We'll see in the mapping later the loading time how we can able to check these errors. We'll see it later.
okay. Okay. Even though these are by default flow and check static both are selected, but it is still belongs to static only, right? As it
Yes,
is the definition level. Yeah.
yes, correct. Now go to
Okay.
the MySQL table, MySQL workbench.
Okay.
Can you see the minimize the sales dev schema? Minimize the sales dev schema, the top level.
So mean top level this one. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
MySQL sales dev. Yeah. Can you see the sys schema expand it? Tables you expand. Sysconfig you expand. That is the one. Okay. What we use? Let me see it. Okay. Now expand the sales dev. Expand the sales dev. Sales dev you expand. Tables you expand. Can you see any E dollar? Okay. Okay. Those tables are not showing it. Okay. Those all. Okay. Now, if you want, I can tell you also. You go to the ODI studio.
Okay.
Go to the ODI studio. Go to the topology navigator. Expand the technologies, MySQL. Alphabetical order.
Yeah.
Ex- Expand the physical data server. Expand. Physical schema, double click. Can you see the work schema, what the name we have given?
Work
MySQL.
skill. Yeah. This one. MySQL. Yeah.
Yeah. Now go to your workbench. Now double click on the sales dev or double click on the sales dev. I want to write a query.